Hello, my name is Mitchell Pearson, and I'm a trainer here at Pragmatic Works. And today, I'm very excited to announce our new course that we're releasing, Advanced Azure Data Factory. Before you take the class, I want to give you an idea of what you should expect to see in this class and what you should expect to learn. One of the big things we cover right out of the gate is Azure DevOps. How do we use Azure DevOps with Azure Data Factory in order to build that continuous integration and continuous delivery? We get these questions all the time, and now we have that built into our course. We also talk about Azure Data Factory integration with other tools that you should be expecting to use on a pretty regular basis when you're working in Azure Data Factory. So things like Azure Key Vault, how do we keep our secure information secure and protected and away from prying eyes? We do that with Azure Key Vault. We also talk about integration with Databricks, and then from a security perspective, we take a look at managed identities. So a lot of great information there. For building out those pipelines, of course, we cover that. We take a look at pipelines using and leveraging parameters and variables to make that dynamic and to automate that process. We also take a look at data flows. We take a look at both wrangling data flows, which is a really cool new feature that a lot of people are going to enjoy, as well as mapping data flows. And data flows are where you do the bulk of your transformations when you're cleaning and ingesting that data within Data Factory. We also cover monitoring. Now, there's some built-in monitoring that you get, but that's based on an individual by individual data factory. In this video, we talk about how you can take those metrics, store them in Azure Log Analytics, and then view all of your data from a centralized dashboard for all of your data factories. Really cool stuff that we have in this overview of Advanced Azure Data Factory. I know that you're going to enjoy it as much as I enjoyed creating it. Thanks for watching this video, and enjoy our class on Advanced Azure Data Factory.